I'm at the MRO Middle East show in Dubai, and I'm joined now by Fraser Currie, the Chief Executive of Joramco, the region's largest independent MRO provider. Fraser, welcome to the Spotlight program.
Thank you.
MRO, it seems to be booming at the moment.
Oh, Alan, it's incredible. It's to see the volume of people coming back to the show here is amazing. Last year was a great success, but this just looks absolutely amazing. To have His Highness Sheikh Ahmed here was a real honour, and we're here. We're buzzing. 2021 was an amazing year for us. We got back on track. It was our highest revenue year on record. 2022, the order book is full. Our budget is again a record-breaking budget. We're also very, very pleased to be talking about expansion and partnerships and where the business is going.
So how does that actually work with the partnerships now? We're hearing a lot of people here talking about collaboration and so on. Is it really going to happen?
Yeah, I get asked the question about, is it an airline partnership? Is it an MRO partnership? What I actually see is I see airlines and MROs forming much stronger alliances going forward. We've now started the bow wave of aircraft coming back into service, and that's a real challenge for the airlines because they're having to, ride on the coattails of the pandemic and then coming to us for very last-minute requests for maintenance when we're already full. So certainly the bigger fleets, they're wanting to book in multi-line deals, a minimum of 5-year duration. So that's where I see partnership really happening now.
Because that's a real swing, isn't it, now that you're looking for commitment from your customers, not just a one-off?
Yeah, it works for the customer, it works for us. It still has to be a very flexible arrangement. It still has to be based around the basic principles of quality and safety and price. But we have the benefit of having a wealth of fantastic customers who are able to have witnessed the quality over the last few years, and now they're saying, okay, now we want to sign up for 3, 4, 5 years. So that's the future for Joramco.
Fantastic. Thank you, Fraser.
Okay.